welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete your Terabox account permanently. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Terabox app. So once you open your Terabox app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, all you gotta do is simply tap on the three hamburger like icon on the top left hand side of the corner. So once you do this, simply tap on the settings option, and once you're in the settings, tap on security center. So after doing this, you can find an option called deleting an account. Simply tap on it and you will be redirected to this interface. So here, all you can see is what will happen if you want to delete your account and how you can delete your account. So simply tap on the tick mark and then tap on delete account. After you have done this, simply tap on OK, and then you will proceed into this interface. So now you need to choose an account which you want to delete, and once you have chosen it, you will be able to permanently delete your Terabox account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.